This beauty right here can ride through the snow like it's nobody's business. She loves just gliding through. Alright, we're about to go take a ride out in the Trailhawk. It's a beautiful snowy day here in Jersey. We got over, I'm gonna say 15 inches of snow. And we're gonna take this puppy out because that's what it does. It loves the snow. So let's do this. Put it in snow mode. Let's do this. Oh yeah. Scared. Ooh, this snow is deep as fuck. Damn. Damn, bro. Come on. I'm like stuck. Look at this car. Yeah. All right. You good? Woo! I'm gonna back up. Where am I? Oh, you guys are messing up my video, man.
Listen, he doesn't have four-wheel drive.
Okay.
So
Why? Oh, I'm trying to let him out, but like, all right. Gosh, y'all messing up my video.
Go back up in his driveway.
All right.
He's gonna go back in his driveway. Don't worry about her.
Woo! Man, trials and tribulations. Fun times. I think he got stuck. He doesn't have a four-wheel drive. I'm ready to take this puppy out. Alright, these guys are stuck, but I'm gonna try to get out of here.
There you go.
Ow! There we go. Alright. Let's do this. Woo! Alright. Yeah! Oh, this is so much fun! Ah! Oh man! Yeah, baby! Trailhawk, baby! Oh shoot! Yeah! Oh, this is awesome! This thing could ride in snow. 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Trailhawk puppy, baby. Woo! Yeah! along here. Let's find some snowy streets. We got like over 15 inches of snow, and this puppy can drive through it like it's nothing. Ain't nobody out here except for the 4x4s. Put this in snow mode. Yeah. Woo! Alright. Oh shit. Oh, I can tell you right now, braking in this, oh shit. Don't do a speeding. We gonna go, yeah. Don't go speeding because you ain't gonna be able to stop real fast. That was bad. But we gonna go down here. I mean, you may ride through some snow, but you ain't gonna be able to stop real fast. Let's do this. Oh yeah, that's nice. Slow down. There's people up here. Nobody out here but the big old trucks. Oh. See my little Subaru, what I got stuck in this. Trying to have some fun out here. Anybody wants to just go have fun out in the snow? Oh, this thing be skidding. Well, you can't stop really fast. Let's go this way. This doesn't look plowed. Yeah, buddy. Just be going over. Yeah, this is nice. This thing is just, woo! If y'all can see how much snow is out here, well, let me stop right now. Let me just literally show you how much snow this thing could just ride over. Like, it's like it's good. It's a decent amount of snow out here. But this thing rides through it like it's nothing. Oh yeah. This is nice. People just out walking. It's a nice Saturday. Perfect day to enjoy the snow. Well, they're riding around, having fun in it, and just outside. This drive's real nice in the snow. Woo! It's fun when you be drifting in this. Drifting, baby. so much fun. Let's get back down here. Oh, they plowing down there. They plowing down my road. I'm gonna have to go this way. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's a lot of snow we got. Drifting, baby. They still didn't do the street. Oh, that's insane. Ow!